Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. The true reasons for which there are fruit flies in your house. You regularly clean your house, keep your dishes right, never forget to take out the trash, and yet the army of fruit flies invaded your kitchen. This makes you think about why this could happen. Remember, it's not your fault. Even the best of us came face to face with these creatures. But why do they appear? 1. Fruits. It is a common misconception that fruit flies only attract rotten or moldy fruits. In fact, these creatures can smell fresh and healthy fruits from miles if left somewhere in your home. In addition, overripe areas are favorite places for fruit flies to feast and lay eggs. Therefore, to avoid these parasites, do not leave fruit on the ledge. 2. Fluids and moisture. Have you ever noticed how you spend summer fluttering flies on your drinks? It turns out that they like liquids and humidity. Spilled sweetened or fermented drinks, such as soda or fruit juice, are like sweet nectar for fruit flies. In addition, leaking pipes or wet sponges can attract these small creatures to your home. 3. Heat. Hot temperatures in themselves are not the greatest attraction for fruit flies. But a warm and clammy kitchen will make fruit rot faster, which will really appeal to these unpleasant mistakes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.